to do this little loop here on lunch break. It's 18 Mile Creek to Homebrew Road to Manila Ridge. Still can't decide on tires. Can't decide if I want to go Shinko 805s all around, or if I want to do the TKC 80 up front and the Shinko 805 in the rear. The only real difference is, well, the 805s are cheaper and supposedly last a little longer, but the TKC 80 from Continental has kind of like lugs that are offset instead of completely side by side like lines of lugs, and I like that offset look a lot more. I'm thinking I might do that on the front. My buddy Mike just got 805s for the front and rear. I'm going to see what they look like on his, and I'm either going to do that or TKC 80 on the front. They say the TKC 80s don't last real long on the rear. I don't know. We'll see. Turtle. Road's still a little wet from last night's rain, so I'm gonna have to play it kind of safe today. It was actually soaked this morning when I looked outside and was trying to debate whether I was gonna ride, but the weather looked good, and I thought, man, these days of being able to ride are coming to an end as we're getting into late September. I am going to look into heated grips and heated jacket. I need a heated jacket for work anyway, so it works out. I think I'm going to do heated gloves instead of heated grips, more than likely. But either way, it's going to be cold and not as fun as it is when it's warm. Looking for a road on my left called Homebrew Road or something like that. I'm pretty confident of the bike's capabilities for sure, but I will feel so much more confident once I have some knobbies on here. There we are, Homebrew Hollow Road. Never been out here before. I go on these back roads, I kind of get torn between like throttling down and having a good time, but also trying to be respectful of the people that live on the road, and you want to be able to like see the scenery. We did a 100-mile ride Sunday, all back roads to Point Pleasant and back, and like, man, we passed so many places out in the country, like churches from 1890 and 1880 and even older, and you just wanted to basically stop and look at them and check out the scenery, and like there's just not enough time when you're rolling by quick on a bike. Oldiker Road. put us, we should be on Manila Ridge now, I believe. Man, there's nowhere around here that's not posted. Like, people go out of their way, and I haven't even noticed this in other states. It's like people in West Virginia go out of their way to make sure everything's like posted so bad. And now we're back on Route 62. That was a nice little loop, but man, that was cruelly short.